Yan, teacher, we are not allowed to say sweetie, we are not allowed to say dear, we are not allowed to say you're so beautiful. No, bawal tayo diyan. Lalo na pag mga chup-chup, naku, that is bawal. So, inaano kasi ng company natin na hindi tayo pwedeng magiging attached sa ating estudyante. At the same time, yung bata din sa'yo. Okay, so, ano ka lang, teacher ka, so it means that, ano ka lang, dito ka lang. Okay, dito ka lang. So, marami tayong mga regular students, marami tayong gustong regular students, right? Marami tayong mga mga student na talagang gustong-gusto natin. At minsan sinasabihan tayo, I love you, teacher. You're my favorite. Kagabi, sinabihan ako, teacher, you're my favorite teacher. So you are not allowed to say, I love you too. You're my favorite student too. We are not allowed. So you're going to say, likewise. Pagka nagsabi sila, teacher, I love you. Likewise. Teacher, heart, heart. Likewise, ganun lang. Likewise lang talaga para safe ka. So yung mama, chup-chup na ko, teacher. Do not do that again, okay? So simula sa araw na to na nagkausap tayo, please do not do that again kasi baka mamaya is ika-ZTP mo. Okay? So magkaroon ka ng violation. Okay? Then,